Okay, hello guys, this is MacElbs Estingen, okay, aka MacElbs po. Okay, so I'm on straight on my dashboard in click intensity po. Okay, so the purpose of this video is I just want to share with you on how to navigate the program itself, yung dashboard niya po. Especially yung how to copy and share your links po. Okay, yun po yung main goal ko dito ngayon. Okay, so I'm in my dashboard. Okay, on your right top hand side, ito po, mukha ko po to, makikita nyo po. Okay, click nyo lang po yan. So you can see a couple of links po, my profile, calendar, my referral link, my sponsor, and logout po. So, click nyo po may sponsor, makikita nyo po sino sponsor sa inyo. And, ito, my referral links. There are two ways po on how to share and to see your referral links po. So, one way na po to. Click nyo lang po to, then you can see this link. So, let's say, click nyo po. So, makikita nyo po a couple of links, your links, bali apat pa to. So, it's up to you ano po yung gagamitin nyo po. Oh, okay. So, another way po is go through your dashboard. Click nyo po yan. Then, itong your referral links po. Okay. So, the same thing lang po yan, yung links na nakikita nyo po. Kung dito nyo po i-click or yung dito sa referral links. So, the same way lang po yan. Okay. So, back to our dashboard. So, I strongly suggest if you're a newbie in this program, click intensity, try to click this dashboard walkthrough. A total 4 videos po na makikita nyo po dito. So, click nyo lang po yan. Okay, at least may better understanding po kayo on how the system and the program works. Okay, may mga language dito, English. Kung di kayo gamay sa English, di mag-Spanish po tayo. Okay? Spanish language, Russian, and Chinese po. Okay, unfortunately, there's no Tagalog version. Okay, lahat naman tayo nakakaintindi ng English. So, ito lang po, dashboard walkthrough. Go back to our dashboard. So, how to share your links po. So, either ways po, dito or dito. Ito. Okay, so click nyo lang po yan. So, it's up to you ano po yung gusto nyo gamitin. As you can see po, medyo mahaba po yung mga links nila, di ba? Okay, so let's say ito. I will share to you 8 tips and 8 tricks on how to shorten your links po. Just in case di nyo po alam, i-shorten po yung links. So, ganito po. Okay, so gawin nyo po is to copy this link. Okay? From HTTP up to this word referral po. Huwag nyo na po i-copy yung naka-enclose na ito, sa dulo. Open and close parenthesis, huwag nyo na po i-include yan. So, assuming ito po, copy nyo po yan. Okay, then, okay, try to focus on this po. Ito po yung mga website na link shortener po. So, the purpose of this link shortener, the word itself, is to shorten. Paiksiin po. So, assuming I will be using goo.gl. Sa Google po to. Okay. So, dito na po sa Google shortener po. So, assuming, actually may na-create na po na links dito. So, assuming I will be creating a new link. So, copy nyo lang po dito yung links nyo. Mahaba po yan, di ba? So, then click shorten URL. So, on the right-hand side, you can see, ito po, umiksi po siya. So, ang gagawin nyo po is to copy lang po yan. Okay? So, I'm using MacBook. Ito po yung command button niya, shortcut key. So, copy nyo lang po. Or pwede nyo po highlight, right-click, copy. Okay, so pag na-copy na po yan, so ito na po yung i-share nyo po sa mga sa mga friends or mga prospects po. So, mas professional po at saka maiksi po yung links nyo. Okay? So, that's the one way to shorten your links po. Kasi most of the time in the group chat, I can see a lot of people were asking saan ko mamigiting links ko and how to share my links. So, how to share your links po, it's up to you po. You can message your friends, maybe posting on some social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever na social media network na meron kayo involved. So, ganun lang po. So, that's the trick na para i-shorten po yung links ninyo. Actually, very effective po yun. So, ito yung main dashboard nila. This is my account. So, almost 19 countries po na dominate ko po. So, definitely, Philippines marami po kasi mas marami akong kilala sa Philippines. Okay? So, ito po yung estimated commission based on prospective purchase of your team. Estimated po, Okay? So, the potential income na makuha ko po is $80 po. Out of this. Kasi, ang kagandang kasi sa program po nito is 7 deep, yung, kumbaga, uni-level ang on how to profit po. Hindi lang po yung direct referral na po. So, the more referral and the how deep is your team is, so, mas malaki po yung potential na makuha po ninyo. So, ito, assuming out of 30 people, bumili kahit isa lang ad pack dito, itong package, 1 pack. Anyway po yung click intensity, si revenue share program po, or a profit share program. So, ang main package po nila or yung product is advertisement package or the so-called ad packs po. So, assuming itong sa first generation, ito po actually yung mga direct na refer ko. So, assuming kada isa sa nila, bumili ng isang package, total ito po, 75. So, ang makuha ko po is $75 po. Okay, so, assuming naman po, medyo siguro na medyo hindi ka panipaniwala, nakikita yung amount, 320,000, which is possible lang po yan. Kasi po, the people or the members will be keep on buying the ad packs po. Kasi why? The more ad packs you have, is the more profit you will gain po. Kaya assuming dito lang po sa 100 packs po tayo mag-focus. The potential profit na makakuha ko po is 8,000 po. Out of this generation. So, now, may 4th generation na po ako. 4th generation deep. Kaya sa first generation lang po is nasa 7,500 na po yan. So, which is okay na rin. Okay, so business stat. Dito yung makikita rin yung latest sign up. Okay, so on your left hand side po, ito yung mga menu button po na makikita nyo po. Pero for the meantime po, some of these buttons are not working. Okay, especially ito, marketing tools, ito. So, pababa po. Hindi pa gumagana yan. So, sa leaderboard, dito nyo po makikita yung mga tao from all over the places po and all over the countries po. Actually, global program po to. Kaysa sulok ng mundo, andito po, may mga involved na tao. So, leaderboard, last 7 days. Okay, itong mga tao na involved dito. Ibig sabihin mo, so-called top earner sila. Maraming na-recruit. Actually, parang andito ata ako eh. Okay, I'll show to you. Hanapin nga. Yun. Dito pa ako. So, I'm not expecting na makakabili na ako dito sa leaderboard kasi global program po to and ang daming taong involved. But I'm able to be one of those guys para ma-involve dito. So, not bad na po as a newbie like me to be one of the leaderboard. In the list po of the leaderboard. Okay, so for the meantime, yun lang po. I hope may natutunan po kayo, especially on how to share your links and how to shorten your links po. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. Hope you like this video and hopefully may natutunan talaga kayo. Okay, so I'll be updating some videos on this program and some online money making program and hope you will subscribe, at least updated po kayo. Alright, so goodbye for now po. God bless.